Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Descent MK1 Sapphire, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with an iPhone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically, if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, and the other way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set up the watch without pairing it with a phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, let's continue. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the light button. Keep holding the button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen, and once you see the logo, wait until it's done booting up. In the meantime, we can also download and install the GARMIN Connect application on our iPhone. To do it, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search, then tap on the search bar and type in GARMIN Connect, and tap on Search, and you should see this application on the list, GARMIN Connect. Tap on it, and then tap on the Get button to download and install it. Okay, as you can see, the watch turned on, and we have the list of languages on the screen. It means that the watch is either brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. You can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons, like this. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it and select it, press the start button to confirm. As you can see here, we have the question. We're being asked if you want to pair the watch with a phone. We want to, so select yes and press the start button, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. That's how it looks like. Once it enters the pairing mode, we need to wait until the application is done installing, and then we can continue. After the application is done installing, you can tap on open. And in the app, if you see this pop up on the screen, tap on OK, and then you will need to log in into a Garmin account. You can also create account if you need a new account if you don't have one. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box. Oh my bad. Check the box, tap on next, and enter the email address and password. Then we can tap on next to continue. After you log in, you may see a couple pop-ups about permissions, like notification permissions. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you want to use it, tap on allow. And as you can see, the app detected our watch. We can tap on connected, enter the code from our watch, so 728907, tap on pair, allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Now tap on next. Here we can set up the bedtime. This is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. So basically mute all of the notifications while you're sleeping. And if you want to use this feature, you can tap on the bedtime to set the time on which you go to bed. Then the wake time to set the time on which you wake up. And once you're done, you can tap on next. And if you want to turn on the do not disturb mode during sleep, tap on yes. If you want to keep it disabled, tap on no. Here, select the one of the options. You can basically agree to send the recent training data to your new device, and then tap on next. And here we can set the goals, something like step goals, floors climbed, water intake or liquid intake and stuff like that. If you want to keep the default goals, tap on keep default goals. If you want to edit the goals yourself, tap on edit goals. And here you can change from auto to custom, and you can adjust the values to your liking by basically entering them. So you can adjust it to your liking, and we have steps, floors, fluid consumption, and the intensity minutes per week. And once you're done, you can tap on next. Right here we're being asked for the calendar access. So if you want to see the calendar events, or manage the calendar events on your watch, you need to tap on allow full calendar access to do it. You can also skip this step and keep it disabled. I'm gonna allow it for the sake of the video. So tap on allow full access, allow full access. Here we have the location. This is useful if you want to track your progress, for example, for running and cycling on the map. So if you want to see the route you basically went through while you were running or cycling or in other different activities, you will need to allow the permission for the location. This is also useful if you want to get the weather from the local from your location basically and stuff like that. So anything that requires the location requires this permission. And if you want to use those features, you need to allow it. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it denied. Then tap on next. Here tap on sync now. Finish. Not now. Got it. And at this point you should see the My Day page. And on it, at the top, you should see your watch right here. And if you tap on more, Garmin devices, you should see your Descent MK1, or rather Descent MK1 on the list of devices. You can tap on it to open the settings page. Okay, so that's how you pair during the setup process. Now I'm gonna remove the watch like this. Go back, Bluetooth, remove it, like that. Okay, and now we're gonna pair it through the settings. So basically we need to enter the pairing mode on our watch. So let's skip this. And here we have our watch. And to enter the pairing mode on the watch that has been already set up through the settings, or rather, yes, that if you want to enter the pairing mode through the settings, you need to press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu by pressing the down button or up button, select the settings, then press start, scroll down, find the option called phone, select it, press start, and then select the option called pair phone rather, my bad, select the start, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. And now you can download and install the app or open the app, log in, and after you log in, the app will detect the watch, or you can also, if you're already logged in into app, you can tap on the plus button right here or more, Garmin devices, and then tap on add device, and it will search for the device. It should detect your watch, tap on connected, and basically enter the code, set up the bedtime, deal with the permissions and stuff like that. And basically it's the same as the one before. Basically, the only difference is how you enter the pairing mode on the watch. Okay, here tap on next, bedtime, the data, goals, and here we have the watch, and if you tap on more, Garmin devices, it should also be here on the list of devices. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.